This video is about how you can deactivate your Facebook account temporarily. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to deactivate your Facebook account temporarily, you need to open Facebook application. At the top right corner of your screens, you will see these three horizontal lines. So click on it, then click on the settings icon, go to personal and account information, select account ownership and control, tap on deactivation and deletion. Select this deactivate account option and then click on continue to account deactivation. Select the reason why you are deactivating your Facebook account. Scroll down and click on continue. Once again scroll down. Now select the time period for which you want to deactivate your Facebook account. Then click on continue. Again scroll down and click on this deactivate my account option. And that's it. Your Facebook account has now been temporarily deactivated. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.